Hey, what's up guys, you're watching Tech Theory, and in this video let's have a quick look at the iOS 12 update on the iPhone 6. So let's get started. If you haven't subscribed yet, do subscribe and click that bell icon for latest video updates. Let's get started. So guys, iPhone 6 is the most oldest iPhone supporting the iOS 12 after iPhone 5s, and it is been updated to iOS 12 for the developers. The developer beta preview was available yesterday, and I made a video once I got the update, and this is a follow-up video regarding the topic. And I have tested the battery and the performance for a night yesterday, and I have made my verdict. So let's talk about the performance and the battery life. So guys, the performance has been quite good. The smoothness of the UI has become more visible now, and the UI is more fluid right now, and as you can see, the app opening times are quite good as compared to iOS 11.4. Yesterday I didn't notice any change, but once I used it for some time, the changes are been noticeable. There is no delay in opening the apps. The app openings time are quite good now, and you can't tell about the Geekbench, I mean benchmark scores. As you can see, I got less score in benchmarks, but the performance has been very nice, and it is not that buggy according to me. There are some bugs, but they are not noticeable. So if you want to install it on your phone, then I won't recommend it because it is a beta, anything can happen. So once the official release is out, you can install it. So talking about the battery life now, the battery life has been not good. The battery life, the standby time has not been good. Yesterday I had the charge of around 58 or 59%, but the charge has been reducted to 28% without any use. So that's a major downgrade in battery performance. Because this is a beta, you can't complain about the battery or performance, because beta is at the last, beta is a beta, so you can't expect the official performance which you get from the official release from a beta release. So the battery life has been quite bad, and it will be improved in future betas, and the performance has been really good. And see, as you can see, the UI has become fluid, and yeah, that's it. And you also get some new features. So in this video let's only talk about the performance. So in the future betas, for example beta 3, beta 4, beta 5, you can get some performance improvements and as well as battery improvements, so you need to wait for that. Currently it is in the first stage of beta, so please don't complain regarding the battery, as Apple has said that the beta is only for developers. So you people don't install it on your primary device, you can install it on your secondary device which you don't use much. It will be a better option. So yeah, that's pretty much guys. This was a quick follow-up video on the iPhone 6 on iOS 12. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you didn't like it, vote it down. And for more such videos, please subscribe and also click that bell icon for getting notifications regarding my new videos. So yeah, that's pretty much guys. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace.